Hey guys, let's get this problem started. For reference, this is going to be number 8 from problem set 3. I'll read the problem to you guys. So, the accounting records indicate that an asset in use has a book value of $8,640. The asset cost $30,000 when it was purchased and has a lifespan of 5 years. It has been depreciated under the MACRS method. Based on the information available, determine how many years the asset has been in service. So in order to get this problem started, we're going to use the MACRS table, which I have here. This basically shows the depreciation rate based on the expected lifespan of the asset. So you have 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, and so on. And if you notice, if you add up all the numbers in all the columns, they add to 100% each. Basically showing that the asset moves from its full cost to $0 at the end of its life. And the depreciation starts after the first year. So let's get this started here. So we're given 3 things. We know our book value to be $8,640. The asset cost will be $30,000, and the lifespan is 5 years. Also, we're going to make a years versus value table just to keep track of what we're doing here. So that'll look something like this. So we'll have our years basically from 0 all the way to 5. So basically we're going to start at our original asset cost, which is $30,000. And since we know the ending value we're looking for, we're basically just looking for the amount of time that has passed to get to this value. So we'll just depreciate it year by year and keep track of those values. So this is how much it costs at 0 years. So we'll write that up here as well. $30,000. And then we'll just go ahead and depreciate from there. So subtract. Basically we want to go to the total amount multiplied by the first year depreciation of the MACRS table. So if you look here, the first year is going to depreciate by 20%. So we'll take our full amount, 30,000, and we'll multiply it by 0.2. So this will be 0 years, 1 year. And we'll punch that into the calculator here. So we have 30,000 minus 30,000 times 0.2. That'll give us 2,400. So it's not quite the value we're looking for yet. We'll write it down. And then we'll just keep going. So we'll subtract another year. So it's going to be 30,000. Again, the initial value, or the initial asset cost of the product, and multiply it by the second year depreciation, which here is going to be 32%. We're here in the 5-year column. So we'll take the 30,000 again, multiply it by 0.32 for second year. Go ahead, punch that in our calculator again. So that'll be minus 30,000 times 0.32. So now we're at 14,400. still not quite at our value, so we'll just go ahead and repeat it. We'll do 30,000 again, the initial cost of the product, times, back to our table, in the third year we're at 19.2% depreciation. So we have 0.192. This will be for our third year. We'll punch this back into the calculator again. 30,000 times 0.192. There you go, $8,640. And that's our answer here. It's been 3 years since this asset has been bought. Thank you, guys.